What's up guys, Alec here, and today I'm going to show you how you can upload to TikTok straight from your computer. So very recently TikTok have just introduced the possibility to upload to their platform without having to go through your phone. Now if you create a video, let's say using VEED.io, and you download that video to your desktop, you can upload that video straight from your desktop to TikTok without having to send that video to your phone first and then upload it to TikTok from your phone. So this is going to be a short video. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, so if I go onto my computer, the first thing you're going to want to do is just go to TikTok. When you're on TikTok.com, you actually need to click on the Watch Now button in the top right corner of their webpage. Once you've clicked on the Watch Now button, you then need to click on the Upload Video icon, which is the cloud with the arrow in the top right corner once again. So once you've clicked this, you're then going to be prompted to log in, and you've got a bunch of different options. So you can log in with Facebook, Google, Twitter, Instagram, but if you haven't linked any of your social media, just click on phone or email. And then you can actually log in with the email or the phone of your account. Now I created my account with my phone, so I just entered my phone number. When I click login, I just have to go through this verification step where it's a puzzle, you slide it, this is to avoid bots, and then I get a 4-digit verification code sent to my number. Once I've entered this 4-digit number, I am then through into my account on TikTok's actual website straight from my desktop. So now I'm basically going to be taken to the upload video page. So here, this is pretty straightforward, just like you would on TikTok. You have the upload box, which is on the left. So you just want to click on this and then you can select the video you actually want to upload. So here, I'm just going to quickly select the video that I want to upload to TikTok. As you can see, I'm uploading this Make Videos Like Gary Vee. I'm going to wait for this to upload. And while I do that, I then can enter the caption. And in the caption, you do just like you can on TikTok. You can tag other people and you can also add hashtags. So this is brilliant. And it also, again, tells you the limit you can have. So the limit of characters is 100. So again, I'm respecting that. So here I just put Make Videos Like @GaryVee. Of course, I'm tagging him. And then I add hashtag video editing, hashtag GaryVee. Once my video has finished loading, I then have the option to choose the actual cover for the video, or I like to call them thumbnails. So you actually have this rectangle bit here, you click and slide to a point in the video where you want the cover of it to actually be. And then of course, if you want, you can choose to have this video as public or private, or select friends only. And then if your video is public, you can then choose the option to allow people to comment or duet and react to the video or not. Once you have done that, you actually just click post in the bottom right of this corner. And there you go, your video is now being posted to TikTok. So you then have the option to either upload another video, or you can just check out the trending videos. You can just browse TikTok basically. But once you've done that, your video is then uploaded to TikTok. Maybe just give it a minute, go and check your profile, and your video is going to be there on your profile. So that is how you upload videos to your TikTok from your computer without having to go through your phone. This has made the lives of so many content creators on the platform a lot easier, because you now can cut out the middleman, which is the phone. You can create content on your computer and post it straight from your computer. Makes sense? Thank you, TikTok. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.